Hello, hi. Welcome back to my channel. This is my second video ever. It's exciting. I'm excited to see this channel grow and see what it becomes. My name is Emily. If you're new here, I'm a single mother to a beautiful daughter named Adeline. I want to thank you all for supporting me. I am glad you are here and thank you. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on how to improve your self-portraits. I've done a lot of self-portraiture before. Here's proof. Yeah, I've done a lot. And it's because I love them. And here's like a couple reasons why I love self-portraits. First, I feel like it challenges you as a photographer. Second, I just feel more connected with photography when it's just like one-on-one, me and the camera. And I feel like when I do self-portraits, it helps me like improve my photography. And it gives me a lot of ideas for future photo shoots, like with other people. So yeah, I like self-portraits and I've done it a lot. And here are 5 tips from what I've learned throughout my years of self-portraiture shoots. So yeah, I hope this helps. Tip number 1. Always create a concept/idea for your self-portraits. It just makes it more exciting when you have something set. So what I like to do is create like a slideshow of my concept, reference, stuff like that. So the slideshow program that I use is Google Slides. You have like a variety of templates and you can pick whatever you want. And I divide them into 5 sections. The first section is like your intro page, and there you want to put your idea, like basic points of what you want to cover on your self-portrait. The second slide is makeup/hair. So any makeup ideas, hair ideas you want to do, put them there. I like to pull my references from Pinterest. They have a bunch of like pictures you could use. Third slide is poses, what kind of poses I want to do. Fourth slide is what kind of editing style I want to do. And fifth slide, it varies from like experimental framing or I don't know, props. It just depends on the idea and concept. But those are like the 4 main. The 5th is just like a wild card. Tip number 2. Try something new to incorporate in your photography. It's nice to get out of your comfort zone because you never know what you'll discover. Something to keep you on your toes while on the shoot. It could be anything from trying a new editing style to incorporating props, or I don't know, new lighting techniques you want to try out, anything. For this shoot, what I'm incorporating new, kind of, is flash photography. I never done flash photography in my self-portraits. I know how to do flash photography, I just want to see how it look on me. And I think it'll be exciting for the shoot. And it kind of fits in the theme of what I want to do. And it adds to the deeper meaning of this self-portrait. So that is my new thing that I want to incorporate. So yeah. Tip number 3. Make sure you have the most important tool for your self-portraiture, and it's a remote. This is very important because it just makes it easier and it just makes it more convenient to take your pictures, because you don't want to be going back and forth with your camera. It's going to be super annoying, and then you're going to get discouraged and you don't want to do it in the end. So I really recommend that you make an investment to purchasing a remote, or if there is an app to connect to your phone with the camera, then use that too. The camera that I'm using for my self-portraits is the Fujifilm X-T3. They have an app called Cam Remote where you could connect your camera to your phone and you can use it as a remote. But the thing is, here's my phone. The phone is just too bulky and it's just really hard to hide when you're taking self-portraits. So I made an investment and I got this little tiny remote. I'll link it down on my description box. It's called the JM2 transmitter. I think the company's JJC. I don't know. I'll link it down below. It was cheap. And you see how tiny it is? I could literally hide it anywhere. Even like in my hand if I really hide it. So yeah, I highly recommend that you purchase a remote or you can use your phone. Tip number 4. This tip involves poses. This is just a quick little intro on poses. So tip 4.1 is to stand in front of the mirror and just look at yourself and do a bunch of random poses. I really recommend this because it gives you a confidence boost, and it's not for like practice, it's just for building your confidence and hyping you up for the shoot. Just do it for like 5 to 10 minutes and just be yourself. Just be like, ooh, ooh, ah, like anything, and you'll get more comfortable and get more hype, and when you actually go on the shoot, you'll be ready. Tip 4.2 is for poses is to put music that fits the theme concept of your shoot. It will just help you get into that mind space, and once you're in that mind space and you hear the music, then it'll flow easier and you will surprise yourself of what you come up with. If you want a whole video about poses, just let me know on the comments below. Tip number 5 and last tip. Please listen carefully. Come here. Come here. Listen carefully. Have fun. Please. Don't stress yourself out. Okay? I hope these 5 tips help with your self-portrait game. Let me know down in the comments below if you want more tips for self-portraits. I have a lot more in mind. Remember, I've done a lot of this, so if you need more help, just let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. If you like the content that I've been giving so far, please like and subscribe. And again, don't forget to turn on the little bell to get notified when I post. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. 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 And another thing that I wanted to mention, I paint. And I'm selling these abstract orange paintings for $75. So $75. So if anybody's interested and wants to purchase a abstract orange slice painting, please let me know. Shoot me a message on any of my social media page, or email me if you want one of these abstract orange paintings. They're supposed to be orange slices, but they're like abstract versions, so I made them pink. And I'll be producing a lot more with like different colors, and I'm gonna be doing like soon I'm gonna be doing a one big orange painting, just one orange, but really huge. But yeah, but these are my small mini oranges, orange slice. So yeah, 75. I gave a name to this one. Her name is Le Pink Orange. So if you like her, let me know. So yeah, Le Pink Orange. Le Pink orange, la pink, orange.